Hello, Manor Green College. It is lovely to see you all. This is assembly number 8 and our final assembly, virtual assembly, because as you can see, everybody's going to be coming back to college next week. So on Monday, the 8th of March, we will have Year 7, FE and Key Stage 4. So that's Years 10 and 11 will be coming back in. And on the 9th, we will have Year 8 and 9 and the High Needs classes coming back in. So we are really looking forward to you. Teachers, LSAs, the site team, the admin team, the therapists, the canteens team, everybody is absolutely excited to see everybody and be back together again at the college next week. So keep up the good work. We've been getting lots of lovely feedback, and I'll mention a couple of my star students of the week from the feedback I've had from teachers and LSAs in a minute. So, moving on. It is World Book Day today, and it's slightly different to last year because we're not all together in the building to celebrate this brilliant day, but there's lots of fabulous activities that have been put on, and you can go on the YouTube channel and find some of the things that are on there, and your teachers will be doing some activities with you as well. So I had a little chat with my kids and discussed what is our favourite book. Which book have we enjoyed, all of us as a family, a lot? And we went through the books that we've got at the house, and we decided upon one book that I'm going to share with you today. And that book is The Emperor's New Clothes, written by Hans Christian Andersen. So here goes. Once upon a time, there was an emperor who loved clothes. He liked looking splendid all of the time. Don't I look splendid? He had a different outfit for every day of the year. But the emperor had a problem. He had nothing to wear for the royal procession. Won't any of your outfits do, your highness? Asked his servant Boris. No, said the emperor. I need a new outfit, and I need one now. And remember, it has to be splendid. Boris sighed and set off to find the finest clothes makers in town. He wasn't having much luck until a little round man and a long thin man rushed up to him. They bowed their bottoms in the air. We are Slimus and Slick at your service, they said. Boris took them to the emperor. We make magic clothes, Slimus told him. Only clever people can see them. Stupid people can't. Are they splendid? Asked the emperor. Very splendid, promised Slick, but very expensive. We'll need pots and pots of money. Take all the money you want, cried the emperor. Just make me those clothes. A week later, the emperor and Boris went to see Slimus and Slick at work. Welcome, they said. What do you think of the new clothes? The emperor gulped. Boris gulped. Neither of them could see anything. Nothing at all. But they didn't want to look stupid, so the emperor said, Splendid! Yes, really very splendid, said Boris. Most splendid, added the footman. Here, have more money, more money. As soon as everyone had gone, Slimus and Slick laughed. They laughed and they laughed until their faces turned purple. Then they ordered a huge feast. It's hungry work for making magic clothes, they said. This is the life. On the morning of the royal procession, the emperor couldn't wait to put on his new clothes. Here's your cloak, said Slimus. It's light as a feather. Oh, your highness, said Slick. You look very handsome. Your clothes fit so well. The emperor admired himself in the mirror. Don't I look splendid? Yes, your highness, gasped the footman, staring straight at the emperor. Yes, your highness, said Boris, staring straight at the ceiling. He was trying not to look. Open the palace gates, ordered the emperor. Let the royal procession begin. The crowd gasped. When they saw the emperor, everyone had heard that only clever people could see his clothes. Aren't his clothes splendid, they said. Extraordinary, fantastic, simply superb, splendiferous, wonderful, magnificent, amazing. Let me see him, called a small boy who was stuck at the back of the crowd. Oh, said the boy, the Emperor's got no clothes on. And faster than a spreading fire, a whisper whizzed around the crowd. The Emperor's got no clothes on. The Emperor's got no clothes on. He's got no clothes on. The Emperor heard their words. He looked down. Oh no, he thought. I'm naked. Then he blushed bright red. But I can't stop now. This is the royal procession, and I am the Emperor. So he held his head high and he walked on. The crowd clapped and cheered. They thought it was the most splendid royal procession ever. Now, that is a story that we really, really laugh about in our house. I hope you enjoyed it. My suggestion is that you find a book that you really, really enjoy and that you can either read yourself or with the help of somebody at home, you have a go at reading or have somebody read to you. And there's also some fantastic audio books that you can access as well. And as I said, there'll be loads of brilliant activities that Abby and the teaching team will be sharing today. So I hope you have a lovely World Book Day. And we're going to move on to our Star Student of the Week. Now, this one goes to a young lady who I've been super duper impressed with, and I've spoken to her class teacher, and she tells me that she's been producing lots of fantastic work, and that goes to Amaya. And you can see what some of the work that she's been doing there. So Amaya, well done, and we're looking forward to seeing that work at school next week. My next nomination, it's not one student, it's not two students, it's not even 3, 4 or 5, it's a whole class. And this goes to 4IP. And I've been speaking to Mark and Isabella and the staff, and they've just said that this class have been fantastic. Fantastic on the live lessons, fantastic accessing the work, and just all round been brilliant throughout this period. So well done. You guys are my star students. My final star student goes to somebody that has accessed all of the online sessions. I've seen his picture pop up in Vanessa's art sessions a lot, and some of the brilliant work he's producing. You can see Callum there producing some lovely artwork and working on it, and the finished article there on the right. So Callum, well done. You are Student of the Week this week, number 3. Brilliant work to everyone involved. I think it's important to say that actually you're all Student of the Week. Everyone has been absolutely brilliant, and we're really, really proud of you and super, super impressed with everything you've done. And we will make sure that we're doing lots of lovely, fun activities and ensuring that you're happy and enjoying yourselves when you're back next week. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you next week, and I am going to finish off with a song that really makes me smile, and I think we did have it once before. But I'm going to finish off with Pharrell Williams' Happy, Just Dance. So clear yourself a bit of space, and here it is.
Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got, don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, come on. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, tell you now, bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Hey, hey. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want